Viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, a gas bubble from an explosion underwater oscillate with a period t proportional to p to the power a, d to the power b, e to the power c, where p is the pressure, d is the density of water, and e is the energy of the explosion. The value of a plus b minus c is equal to. So student, here t is proportional to p to the power a, d to the power b, and e to the power c. P is pressure and dimension of pressure is ml minus 1, t minus 2. Dimension of density is ml minus 3, and dimension of energy is ml 2 t minus 2. This is the dimension of energy. So writing dimension of both side, here t time period dimensions are m0 l0 t1. So m0 l0 t1 is equal to dimension of pressure ml minus 1 t minus 2. This is a power a into ml minus 3 power b into m0 ml square t minus 2 to the power c. So m0 l0 t1, this is m to the power a plus b plus c, and l to the power minus a minus 3b, and here 2c, and t to the power minus 2a, and here minus 2, this is minus 2, so this is minus 3 2c. Now comparing of respective power, so a plus b plus c, this is 0, minus a minus 3b plus 2c, this is 0, and minus 2a minus 2 equal to 1, 2c equal to 1. So from here we got a plus c equal to minus 1 by 2. Putting this value in first, we got b equal to minus a plus c, and that is minus 1 by 2, so this is 1 by 2. Therefore b is 1 by 2. If b is 1 by 2, we can get here minus a minus 3 by 2 plus 2c equal to 0. Therefore minus a plus 2c equal to 3 by 2, and a plus c is minus 1 by 2. So adding, we got 3c equal to, this is 3 by 2 and this is 1 by 2, so this is 1. Therefore c equal to 1 by 3. C equal to 1 by 3. Here now putting this value in this first, a plus c equal to 1 by 2, and a equal to 1 by 2 minus c, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, that is 6 minus 5 by 6. So a equal to minus 5 by 6. Question is asking a plus b minus c. A is minus 5 by 6, b is 1 by 2, and c is 1 by 3. So LCM is 6, this is minus 5, this is a 3, and this is 2. Minus 5 minus 6, minus 5 minus 2 minus 7, plus 3 by 6, or this is minus 4 by 6, or this is minus 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 minus is the correct answer, which is found in option C. Option C is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.